guys, it's your girl Lexx the artist, and welcome back to my channel. So today oh my god, I'm dying. Whew, it's a little smoky in here. Anyways, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve a silk press on my natural hair. This is a rare occurrence. Y'all know I don't wear her out. She's too much work. So I'm literally taking you from beginning to end. I did let it air dry a little bit, so I cheated a little bit. But not really, because it's more work for me. I was running errands, so yeah. But anyway, I take you through like the wet process, blow drying, all the way down to flat ironing and then styling. And my hair has gotten longer, so it was a little different. Like, honestly, I was a little rusty, but you know, technique's still the same. I did use the silk ion drops in my natural hair for the first time. I don't really like the way that it's making my hair feel, because I'm someone that doesn't like, I don't put any oils in my hair or anything when I'm doing a silk press. Just I like that really fluffy, bouncy look, which I still, you know, have, but I think that's more so because I have voluminous hair opposed to, you know, if it wasn't being weighed down, how much fluffier it would be. But I'm going to take it with a grain of salt because my hair does tend to revert easily, and I know that this, we're locked in. But it did cut down my blow drying time significantly. I can say that. Like, as soon as I rubbed it throughout the hair, but you guys will see in that portion, I was able to comb through it, and you know, we got it done. But yeah, I think that's all I have to say. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. And if you would like to see more natural hair videos, let me know. I'm thinking about doing either like a flexi rod set or I don't know how I'm feeling. But as always, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Okay, let's get started. So first, I'm spraying this Tresemme heat protectant all over my hair, which I don't typically do, and honestly I wish that I had it. But this is the first time I've straightened my hair in about a year or so, so I just wanted to give my hair a little more protection. Also, a part reason why I use those iron silk drops. But right now I'm going to detangle all of my hair. I did let it blow dry slightly, and I'm just starting from ends to root. Then I'm going to section it off into a 4 to make it easier to blow dry. Next, I'm putting a little bit of the silk eye drops. I use way too much. Don't ever use this much. I don't care if your hair is thicker than mine. Your hair will feel heavily weighted, and it just won't, you know, give as much of a bouncy and flowy, you know, result. But I just put some on just to make detangling a little bit easier and to make it smooth when blow drying. And again, it's not necessary. This is the first time I've ever used a product like this while doing this step in my process. I typically don't really use flat ironing or blow drying aids, but I'm going in with the Denman brush and starting at the roots and bringing the blow dryer down along with the brush as I brush my hair out to blow dry. Kind of the same effect as if you have like a pick on your blow dryer, but I find that with the Denman brush, I'm able to get in really tight at the roots and drag it down. That way I get a really nice like sealed cuticle effect. I split each section into 2 just to make it easier. You don't have to do this, but I find that I get much straighter results when I do split it, just because the heat is focused on a smaller section of hair, so it can thoroughly, you know, heat the desired section instead of having to fight through all of the hair. But once that's done, I just take it and twist it up and then continue to do the rest with the other sections of my hair. I'm not adding any additional product to flat iron, but I take really small sections and I comb it through just to make sure that it's smooth. And I'm taking my T3 single pass flat iron it and getting it right on the root and using the tracing method with a rat tail comb. I find that the smaller the comb, the better, just to make sure that the hairs are getting straight as you're tracing it down with the straightening iron. In my routine, I typically straighten and then curl. So right now, I'm going through the straightening process, just making sure that everything is nice and smooth. And then I, take larger sections, as you guys will see, and use that time to bump and curl to whatever desired style that I'm looking for.
These police are stupid out here, too. I couldn't believe it. The police pulled me over because I passed him. I couldn't believe it. Talk about what you passed me for. I said, motherfucker, I'm in a hurry. That's why I passed you. That's why I passed you, Mr. Officer of the goddamn law. They talking about her. Yeah. You got any dope in the car? I said, no, I was at home with the gun.
Can I hear myself? Can you hear me? The last 3 books I read was The Power of Habit, Hop on Pop, and Dream Psychology.
Picture me in Publix buying baking soda, sandwich bags, and I'm potent with that weed smell. Play in the parking lot, want a half a L. Stupid clientele.
So now that my hair is all straight, I'm going to go ahead and bump the ends for the back because I didn't want it to be super curly, just, a slight little bend. And then for the top of my hair, I typically do this curl away method. So I'll take this section and hold it straight and then twist the flat iron like a curling iron, as you guys can see, flick of the wrist away as I go up the hair. So it kind of gives me this really pretty Farrah Fawcett blown out effect, without having to use a curling iron. I'm not big on using more than a tool, honey. So with this method, you can use this with any length of hair. It's really pretty with layered bobs. It's gorgeous. It'll truly show all the definition in your cut. But I am in desperate need of a good trim and a nice little cut because again, this is the first time I've straightened my hair in about a year. So this is a little dusty, but I was able to pull it off. So for my edges, I mix beeswax and edge control. My hair tends to curl up because again, I am natural. And I just find that mixing any gel or edge control with beeswax helps prevent my hair from curling up. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But for those edge control, the ORS and their design essentials and stuff like that, I find that it definitely makes a difference.
Back to the bar, we throwing back shots of liquor, clearing my periphery, yo, I feel them watching, matter of fact, I watched them get up, out to the car, but the car didn't move, I headed outside, told the bros don't move, when I stepped outside, I cocked my 9, but the shit wouldn't fire, my shit jammed up, and then I hit the snooze, nightmares, oh, wait, good man, alright, nightmares. I signed with another rapper, damn, an extra middleman. There I go again, trying to hex my whole business plan. Leaving out the fine print, they speak for you, don't fill you in. Stuck with these fucking losers, don't know how it feel to win. Don't go to school, just follow the leader, no. Don't build your brand, just wait in the fucking shade, you'll make a hit again. And then we'll still it, go make $1 million, we'll give you shit again. Then go sign a bunch of rapping puppies, you can sit again. No, I'ma walk in the building.
I don't typically go this heavy with the baby hairs, but my hair was just in an install, so my edges need a little TLC. So to make sure that, they were kind of kept away, I did go ahead around my whole perimeter and just slick them down. But that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you so much.